shiny teeth, and me, shiny teeth, shiny teeth. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna do a video about teeth. I always get so many questions on how I get my teeth so white. First of all, thank you to all the people who say my teeth are white, because sometimes I think they look yellow, but y'all be gassing me up. Today I'm going to reveal my secrets. What's the point of life if you're going to keep everything to yourself? You might as well share with the world, okay? There's what, 7 billion people on this planet? And you want to keep something all for yourself when those 7 billion people are never going to meet you? You might as well share with the world. Am I right? Am I right? So first thing first, how I get my teeth so white is number 1, baby. Brush your teeth, okay? Twice a day, okay? Sometimes I don't do 2 times, but you should do 2 times, okay? 1 time ain't enough. Morning and night. Brush your teeth. That is key number 1 to getting your teeth white. Number 2 is Colgate Optic White. Do you see my teeth? Colgate, cut me a check. Cut me a check, okay? This video is not sponsored. It should be, because I always tell people about this toothpaste. This is the Colgate Sparkling White Optic White toothpaste, okay? This will get your teeth on shiny teeth and me, shiny teeth, shiny teeth. If you've seen that Timmy Turner episode, Timmy Turner, right? Yeah. This will get your teeth on white. Do you see my teeth? I used to use Crest 3D. It's cool, but Colgate Optic White, psh, blow it out the water. And a second hack is to use them interchangeably. That is the key, because you know sometimes you use things on your body and the more you use it over and over and over, it stops working. So the key is, I was using Crest 3D before and it worked, but all of a sudden it stopped working. So I would stop using that and then I would move to Colgate and use this for a couple months. I haven't changed it because it works, but if you see your teeth is kind of plateauing, literally plateauing, and not getting any more white, then you can go ahead and switch back to Crest so your teeth get used to something. I'm dropping jewels, baby. Appreciate this. Share this. Your teeth should be glistening, okay? This is jewels I'm dropping right now. But this is the truth. Get it from BJ's, Sam's Clubs, Costco, whatever y'all have. I live in New York. Get them in the pack because they're so expensive if you buy them single at Walmart. Girl, they be wanting $10 for 1 toothpaste. Okay, this is like 15 to 20 and it comes in a pack of 5. Yeah. Alright, so that's my number 1 jewel. So number 2, I just started using these, so I'm not going to say that's what always keeps my teeth white, but I might as well mention it because I really did like it. So these are the Zimba Minty Teeth Whitening Strips. They come in little packages like these, and they have the little plastic on there with the top strip and then the bottom strip, and you put those on for 30 minutes to an hour. It says professional white effects, enamel safe, 30-minute quick whitening. And these are all natural. This is why I really like this, because years and years and years ago when I was like 16, I used the Crest 3D strips and they make your teeth like super sensitive, but these ones are all natural. So it's all natural for your teeth, so it doesn't make your gums burn, okay? Because the Crest 3Ds, you'll be like, because your gums are literally on fire. Do I want to say on fire? Because they just feel like they're bleeding, like it just hurts. So I don't recommend the Crest 3D whitening strips, and they're super expensive. It's like $130 for them. These babies are like $20. Zimba whitening strips, $20. And they say that your teeth start to lighten within 7 days or after the first use or something. My teeth literally did whiten after the first use, the 3rd use, the 7th use. I'll try to put a before picture so you guys can see, and I didn't take an after, but you guys can obviously see my teeth right now. I will definitely buy these again because they definitely took my teeth to a whole nother level, okay? I'm on a new level. So I definitely will recommend these. They're all natural. Like, I left these on for an hour. even a little bit more than an hour, and my teeth did not hurt one little bit. So these are the GOAT. I think you're only supposed to whiten your teeth like once every 3 months or something. If you drink wine or drink coffee or stuff that stain your teeth, don't do that while you're on this, because you're kind of going to jeopardize your results. So I don't drink any of that stuff, so my teeth stayed pretty white. But yeah guys, these are the keys to getting my teeth really white. Don't forget to floss your teeth every day. Brush your teeth twice a day. If you don't even do it twice, at least once. We're not walking around here with stank breath, okay? We don't do that. So brush your teeth, Colgate Optic White, and once in a while some Zimba Whitening Strips, and that's how you get teeth like these. So I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Oh, my stomach hurts. Whew. Oh my goodness. A few simple things of what I use in my routine to get white teeth, and I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know what you guys think about the toothpaste. If you use it already, let me know if you use it. If you've been seeing these, I actually saw these whitening strips on Instagram, so if you've seen their ad around or you've tried Crest whitening strips, let me know in the comments below. Let me know how they work for you. Bye guys.